Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Della Angelica. I'm from 4A class Palembang, and today in this ICT in ELT class, I would like to talk about YouTube. Have you ever heard about YouTube? Of course, you have ever heard about that because you must be see this video because you know YouTube. Because I post this video on YouTube. All right. The topic today is using language learning resources on YouTube. All right, let us start with the introduction part. So, as we know, YouTube is a big website where billions of people watch videos every month. Not only every month, every day, and every hours even. And as this PPT said before, teachers should use YouTube for teaching because there are a lot of positive impacts for the teachers to teach with YouTube. And what are the impacts? I will talk about it later. And this presentation will talk about how to use YouTube to learn languages effectively. Yes, we should use YouTube not only for fun, but we should use it effectively, or we can say we should use it wisely. Next, all right, let us continue with quality criteria using YouTube as an educational tool. So the qualities from YouTube are like in this PPT, accessibility, user friendliness, and authenticity make YouTube an ideal educational tool. It means we could access a lot of information from YouTube if we compare it with textbook. It must be different, right? And it also user friendliness, everyone can see it, everyone can watch any videos. And the authenticity, yes, we see YouTube not only for learning, right, but we could use it for fun, but we still get the lesson from that fun things. And also, social integration features enable collaboration and interaction among learners. Of course, it could happen because in YouTube, everyone from everywhere could see that, could use that application. So everyone can connect or collaborate each other. However, there are challenges through this application, like advertisement-based content and copyright issues, of course. But as far as I know, if we use premium in YouTube, we would not get any advertisement in any videos. Next. All right. Sorry, this is wrong. All right, let us continue. Meaningful language learning through ICT. Yes, we connect it with ICT because YouTube is an online application. So ICT help with both basic and advanced thinking skills when learning languages. And different ways of learning, like asking questions and talking, are made easier with ICT. Yes, because there are a lot of variations of how to do that, and it would be easier because we could learn from ICT. We could use that ICT even though we do it in separate ways. I mean, in separate location. All right, and also using ICT makes learning more interesting and helps students learn better. Of course, without ICT, our information would be uh, stuck, or we couldn't get any more information because we cannot access it. All right, next. slides. Why is it hard? Sorry. All right. Next page, language learning resources on YouTube. Of course, YouTube has a lot of videos to help you learn languages like educational channels and playlists. For example, in my own experience, I often open Kampung Inggris channels to learn English better because in that video, for example, there is information about new vocabulary or a new grammar, so we would know what is the right one. And also playlists in YouTube, get uh, we could get compilation videos because they put it in playlist, so it would be easier for us to find any information about educational things. All right, and also using these videos for homework and or projects makes learning languages more fun and helpful. Of course, let's imagine if we only rely on textbook, we would not get any animation or audio or decoration like this presentation. For example, in Canva, we cannot decorate anything with textbook. All right, next, searching. Sorry, what is that? Searching for language related videos on YouTube. So effective search techniques involves using relevant keywords and involving students in the search process. Yes, for example, if we want to know about past tense, right? We could search with the keyword past and tense, and if we want to be more specific, we could use English past tense like that. And evaluation of video quality and usefulness is crucial, of course. If the quality of the video is bad, well, it is not good for us to learn. And YouTube channels dedicated to education, such as YouTube Edu, provide a safe environment for learning. Uh, Actually, I've never used this kind YouTube Edu, but I will use it later because I interesting with their statement. They said that they provide a safe environment for learning. Next page. All right, this page, students evaluation of ICT. So, engaging students in evaluating educational videos fosters critical thinking and reflections, of course, and platforms like VoiceThread allow for peer feedback and assessment. Yes, I think feedback and assessment are the crucial aspects to get better learning activities because when we get feedback we would know other people's response and we could correct and we would know what is right and what is wrong from our work. And gathering students' feedback on the use of ICT is essential for improving language classes. Yes, like what I said before, improving language classes needs feedback from others because we also need to see another people point of view. Next. Yes, we would go to conclusion. So, in summary, from what I said before, YouTube has a lot of stuff to help students learn languages on their own. Yes, by trying out these opportunities and finding new ways to use YouTube for learning languages, we can make learning even better for students because like what I said before, we get more accessibility, and YouTube is a user friendly application, so everyone can access it, and it would not get any problem as long as you have uh, Wi-Fi or like that. And also, we can make learning even better for students. Yes. And as YouTube just keeps getting better, it will offer even more ways to learn languages